Welcome to this video of my course. So we have gathered everything for our gig and now we just need a thumbnail for our gig. And now I'm going to create a thumbnail of our gig. For thumbnail creation, you can use any type of device and any type of software. But you must keep it very simple and use less texts on your gig thumbnail as low as you can. Use an intense color as the base of your thumbnail. Then put a simple logo related to your service and then use a small number of texts that explains what your gig is about. Using strong color in your thumbnail will make it unique, and being unique, the chances will increase that it can be clicked. Let me show you that how I'm going to make my thumbnail. And for creation of my thumbnail, I will be using Pixel Lab. It's only available in mobile. So to use it on PC, I have already installed an emulator and I can use it on PC. So let's create my thumbnail and you will see how I'm going to create it and how it will be looking. Here you can see I have just created my thumbnail. It is very simple, but it looks unique by using yellow color, as very few people use yellow color. To make it simple, I have just used YouTube logo and word SEO. So these both are very easy to see and read. And they are explaining very simply and easily what my gig is about. So try to make your thumbnail also very simple and the one which explains your gig services. That's all for this video and I will see you in the next video.